Hey guys, I'm Matthias and in today's video I will show you how I finally repaired the thumb wheel. As you can see, it's finally working. I'm so happy that I can shoot some new videos on this channel. So I will try to tell you how I fixed it. So let's get started. So I turn down the camera and you get to the wheel. And if you put the screwdriver in, you can open it, and now you can see, as I found on eBay, that there is some wires that are touching these circles on the bottom part, and with the help of screwdriver I've bent these wires to finally touch the surface, and it worked. So the problem was that for the time I was using this wheel, the wires bent and weren't touching the surface for the full time. Only if I sprayed some spray in it, it make a contact, and it worked until the spray has dried. And I have to put them back on the original position. So that's all for this quick video. I hope it worked for you as for me, and I will see you in the next video. So bye.